Prepare a small knife or scissors. Cut the rope that secures the outer packaging. Cut the transparent tape. Take out the accessory kit. What's in the accessory kit? 1. Slotted screwdriver, crosshead screwdriver. 2. Number 15 wrench for pedal installation. 3. Bicycle front light. 4. Front wheel axle. 5. Pedal. 6. Bicycle charger. 7. Charging cable. 8. Fender mounting bolts. 9. Bike bell. 10. 3-in-1 hex key tool. Remove the fixed protective straps from the vehicle body. Cut off the fixed zip ties. Take off the fender and wheel. Remove the handlebar protective film and saddle cover. Seat post installation. Open the seat post clamp. Then insert the seat post into the frame. Tighten the seat post clamp. Handlebar installation. Raise folding handlebar. Rotate 90 degrees. Undo the head tube fixing clamp. Slide the handlebar into the head tube and fasten the clamp tightly. Raise the folding handlebar to vertical and secure the folding buckle. Install the front wheels. Remove the screws of the front fork fixing rod. Before fitting the front wheel, take off the axle bolts in the order demonstrated in the video and set them aside. Insert the axle into the wheel, then reinstall washers and bolts in the video's order. Lift the front fork of the bike and install the wheel. Insert the brake pads into the gap of the caliper. Install washers into fork grooves and tighten bolts per the video. Install the other side in the same way. Secure both side bolts using the 15mm wrench from the toolkit. Install the fenders and the headlight. Remove the fork's fender mounting bolts. Position the fender for installation. Take out the headlight. Fix it with the fender to the fork via bolts and secure tightly. Fit the fender bracket to the video indicated position and tighten securely. Install pedal. Note: the pedals are marked L and R for left and right. Install according to the markings on the pedals. Tighten the pedal by turning it counterclockwise. Power on and you're ready to ride. One reminder. 1. Check the brake system. While squeezing the brakes, push the bicycle forward. If the bike stops promptly, the brakes are working properly. 2. Test the electronic control system. Ensure the battery is installed correctly. Press and hold the power button to see if the display turns on. With the rear wheel still off the ground, rotate the pedals clockwise to see if the motor engages for assistance. If you hear the motor running, the electronic control system is working correctly. After completing all these checks, you're ready to start your enjoyable ride. Ride safe